Stop starving yourself immediately. You think that to trigger autophagy, the body's most powerful mechanism for self-healing and eating cancer cells, you are forced to fast for 3 days, drink only water and endure gnawing hunger. Wrong. That is a dangerous lie that is destroying your metabolism. The truth is, autophagy is not about you stopping eating. It is about how you control the insulin switch. Today, I will prove to you, based on the 2016 Nobel Prize in Medicine and over 150 of the latest clinical studies, that you can trigger this cellular cleanup machine even while you are still eating. I will give you 5 scientific methods, 5 biological keys to trick your body into thinking it is fasting, triggering fat burning and cell regeneration instantly without suffering. If you want to live a long life, turn off the hollow advice out there right now and focus on this. We are starting right now. The first thing you must engrave in your mind: insulin is the #1 enemy of autophagy. Imagine your body as a city. Autophagy is the sanitation squad, the garbage trucks that go around collecting waste, defective proteins, and senescent cells to recycle them into new energy. But this squad has an immutable rule: they only work when the boss is away. That boss is insulin. According to research published in the journal Frontiers in Cell and Developmental Biology in 2021, insulin activates a signaling pathway called mTOR. Think of mTOR as a noisy construction site. When you eat, insulin rises, mTOR works at full capacity to build and store. And when mTOR is on, it locks ULK1, the start button of autophagy. What does that mean? It means as long as insulin is high, your body never, I repeat, never cleans up the trash. You can eat clean, eat healthy, but if you graze all day long, you are drowning in cellular waste. Research in the PMC National Library of Medicine has clearly shown in type 2 diabetes patients, insulin's ability to inhibit autophagy is broken, leading to cells being flooded with toxic waste. So what is the solution? It is not starving to death. The solution is eat less often, not eat less. We need to create gaps, insulin, valleys, so the cleaning squad can do their job. Now let's talk about the second secret weapon, fasting mimetics, or the imposters. Did you know you can send spies into your body to trick cells into thinking they are starving, while in reality, you are still being fueled? Topping the list are polyphenols, especially EGCG in green tea and black coffee. A study in the journal Frontiers in Pharmacology in 2022 confirmed EGCG activates the enzyme AMPK. Remember this name, AMPK. If mTOR is the construction switch, then AMPK is the repair switch. When AMPK turns on, it shuts down mTOR immediately. Drinking green tea is not just a habit, it is a biological signal commanding cells. Stop building, start cleaning now, but remember, no sugar, no milk. Just 1 drop of milk, insulin, will spike and all efforts go down the drain. Next is berberine, dubbed the natural metformin. Studies in biomedicine and pharmacotherapy show that berberine strongly activates autophagy in fat and liver tissues. It helps reduce insulin resistance extremely effectively. With a dose of 500 milliliters, it acts like a vacuum cleaner, clearing sugar from the blood before insulin can react. However, I warn you, if you are taking blood sugar medication, ask your doctor. Berberine is very potent, it is not candy. And here is the most powerful duo I have ever seen, resveratrol and spermidine. A groundbreaking study in the Journal of Cell Biology in 2011 proved something shocking. When used individually, you need very high doses to see effects. But when combining resveratrol, found in red, grape skins and blueberries, and spermidine, found in mushrooms, wheat germ, and aged cheese, they create a synergistic effect. Low doses of both added together create autophagy triggering power, equal to extremely high doses of each substance alone. Spermidine, the name sounds strange, but it is an elixir for longevity. It tricks the body at the genetic level, turning off protein, acetylation, forcing cells to regenerate themselves. Eat mushrooms, eat fermented soybeans like natto. That is how the Japanese live long, and that is science, not rumors. Wait, do not forget. Quercetin in red onions and apples. Reports in Autophagy. Reports in 2021 indicate that quercetin not only triggers general autophagy, but it also triggers agrophagy, a specialized process to clean up clumped proteins, the cause of Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. You see, nature has hidden these keys in everyday foods. You just need to know how to use them. But all the efforts above will be meaningless if you ignore the third thing, your liver, the command center. The liver is where the entire metabolism is managed. If your liver is fatty, inflamed, autophagy will be completely shut down throughout the body. And what is the silent killer of the liver? Fructose. Do not confuse this with whole fruits. I am talking about fructose in soft drinks, in processed foods, and even drinking too much sweet fruit juice. Research in the journals Nutrients and International Journal of Molecular Sciences in 2024 confirmed fructose disrupts mitochondrial function in the liver, blocking fatty acid oxidation. When the liver is flooded with fat, it signals inflammation throughout the body, and insulin will always be high to try to resolve that mess. Want autophagy to work? Clean this oil filter first. Eat bitter vegetables, kale, dandelion, bitter melon. That bitterness is the antidote for the liver. Supplement choline from egg yolks and salmon. If you are afraid of eating eggs because of cholesterol, you are living in the last decade. Choline is the material for the liver to transport fat out. Save your liver, and your liver will save your life. Now let's talk about strategy. You do not need to fast for 3 days, but you need a 3-phase strategy in the day, precise to the circadian rhythm. This is how you hack your body. Phase 1, morning, the autophagy zone, from 6 a.m. to 10 a.m. When you wake up, insulin is at its lowest after a long night. Do not ruin it with a bowl of noodles or a sandwich immediately. Extend this phase. Drink water, green tea, or black coffee. At this time, the AMPK enzyme is working powerfully. The body is eating defective cells. Give it more time. Just by waiting until 10 or 11 a.m., you have already won big. Phase 2. Noon, the nutrition loading phase, from 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. This is when you break fast. But do not load sugar. Eat protein like salmon or chicken, good fats like avocado or olive oil, and lots of fiber. Why? Because these things stimulate insulin the least. New research in 2023 shows that protein does not turn off autophagy completely, as we once thought, as long as you do not eat it with a mountain of carbs. Phase 3, evening, the recovery zone. From 5 p.m. to 7 p.m., dinner must end at least 3 to 4 hours before sleep. This is the golden rule. Why? Because when you sleep, the body needs to switch to brain repair and detoxification mode. If your stomach is still churning food at 11 p.m., all energy will focus on digestion, not repair. The break from 7 p.m. the previous day to 11 a.m. the next day is 16 hours. That is the magic number. 16 hours is enough to trigger cellular level autophagy without depleting your muscle. Finally, the fifth thing, the thing where most people fail, cortisol, the stress hormone. You can eat right, drink right, exercise right, but if you are stressed, you still fail. Why? Because cortisol is the spoiler. When you are stressed, the brain thinks you are in danger, like being chased by a tiger. It commands the liver, dump sugar into the blood now. We need energy to run away. The result? Blood sugar rises, insulin spikes, even if you eat nothing. Research in Frontiers in Cellular Neuroscience in 2018 confirms Chronic stress inhibits autophagy through activating mTOR. Do you see the vicious cycle? Stress increases insulin, insulin turns off. Autophagy. That is why stressed people often have belly fat and cannot lose weight. The solution here is neuroscience, not advice to cheer up. First, the 4-7-8 breathing technique. Inhale for 4 seconds, hold for 7 seconds, exhale for 8 seconds. It activates the vagus nerve, forcing the body to switch from fight mode to rest mode. Do it right now, it only takes 60 seconds. Second, magnesium. Glycinate. A 2025 study in the journal Nutrients showed that the combination of magnesium and glycine not only helps sleep well, but also lowers body temperature, a crucial signal to start the night. Repair process. Take 200 to 300 milligrams before bed. You will see your life change. Looking back at the big picture, autophagy is not just about weight loss. It is about protecting your brain from Alzheimer's. The amyloid plaques in the brains of the elderly are the garbage that autophagy failed to clean up over 20 years. It is about preventing cancer, cleaning up mutated cells before they become tumors. Professor Yoshinori Osumi from the Tokyo Institute of Technology did not receive the Nobel Prize just for finding a way to starve. He found the way cells survive and regenerate. And today, you hold in your hand the map of that regeneration. I challenge you, try the next 7 days no snacking. Start the day with green tea, eat red onions, mushrooms, and spermidine-rich foods. Breathe 4-7-8 whenever stressed. And, most importantly, stop eating 3 hours before sleep. Your body is a miraculous machine. It knows how to repair itself. Just do not block its way with insulin and stress. Do not wait until illness knocks on the door to look for a solution. The solution lies right in your dinner plate and your sleep. You have the choice: continue loading trash into your body, or flip the cleaning switch to regenerate. I believe you will choose correctly, because your health is the only asset you cannot borrow.